What's up, Vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and, of course, some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be getting the kitchen nice and hot. So, we're making some Jamaican pickle pepper. And here are my ingredients that I'll be using. So, of course, I'm showing you guys a chocha. In Jamaica, we say chocha. In some other country or culture, they say chayote. So, I'm just showing you guys in case you don't know. I'm just showing you what you would do. So you peel off the outer layer, you peel off that skin, you take your vegetable peeler and you just take off the outer layer, right? And then you cut that in two, and then we're gonna cut that in a quarter, right? Well, cut the half in a half. And then we are gonna take that out, right? Middle piece right there, we're gonna cut it out. Get rid of that heart, that lungs, that kidney. We're gonna cut it all out. We don't need that, right? Cut it out of that one too. So get down in there and dig deep and cut it out. Okay, so next, this part is very optional, right? I'm going for a little fancy. So I'm making a little design. So I'm taking my little fork and just digging in. This is optional. You don't have to do it. You can just cut the chocha into strips. You don't necessarily have to do it this way. So from there now, I'm just gonna make some slice and dice, right? And then I'm gonna show you what I'm going for. That's what I'm going for. Look at the little cutie in the back. You see those? Ooh, so cute. Okay, so go ahead and cut those up. And then we are done and we're gonna put them away. So later down in the video, I'll show you how I did the strips, right? So next, let's go in with the carrot. Hey, carrot, look at you looking so good. Okay, so for the carrot too, another fancy situation. You just take your knife. Oh, cut off the edge first, of course, right? And then take your knife and just make two slits, right? And dig a little bit deep. And there we go, right? We dig in. And what I'm trying to do is make a nice little cute little flowers or something like that, right? A nice little rosy posy. So this one too, you don't have to do it that way. You can definitely cut them into strips. But I grew up seeing it this way. Mommy did it this way. So this is the way I know how. This is like the long time way, right? Yeah. So go ahead and make some indentation into the side of the carrot, and of course you're gonna see what it's gonna turn into. So make about 5 or 6 of these slits and dips. Okay, yeah. And don't throw away those when look at it, you see it already, it coming through. Okay, so let's cut it now, and then you're gonna see it even more around. You're gonna see it. Look, cut and cut. You guys see it? You see the vision? Look on the vision. Yes, come true, Vigi. You guys see the flowers? It looks so cute. Hey, little flowers. Hey, flowy. Okay, so so cut some more. So yeah, you get the vision. You understand. So yeah, cut those, and then we're gonna put them to the side, right? And then we're gonna go in and do something else. So we're layering up. So next, we're gonna cut some onion. So one nice big onion, and you're just going to make some big cut. Don't do it too thick though. But yeah, just cut it up just like that. And then what we're gonna do now, after we finish that, we are gonna separate them. So take your finger and poke it, right? And separate them so we have loose pieces of onions like you would put on your little burger. Okay, so yeah, put those to the side as well. And then next, guess what? We are going in for the kale. As in this, a beer hotness right now. Hotness. So put on your gloves, or just be extra careful if you don't have no gloves. Listen, even get 2 scandal bag and put pen on, because these Scotch bonnet pepper, they do not come to play. They are not playing with you. Fire go catch in your skin all about if you don't be careful. So yeah, and guess what? The seed is where the heat is at, and I'm using all of that. So when I tell you this hot, it's hot, right? So be ye careful. As a matter of fact, when you finish cutting these pepper, go and wash off your knife, right? To make sure you're on the safe side. So put those to the side. and be ye careful. Okay. So what are we gonna do next, Vibe Sam? Tell me, what are we doing next? Oh, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, so here I'm showing you the strips, right? So this part, this chocha is not the one with the design on the back, right? This don't have no nothing. Is the other quarter I'm cutting, right? So I did it, cut it slant first, and then I stack some of those just to make it faster, stack them, and then cut those. And then that is how I get the strip, right? Just to get it faster. You can do it any which way you want to do it, as long as you get some julienne strips, right? Yeah. So there we go. And that is it for that, if you want to do it that way. So yeah, Vibes, some look pan prettiness, look pan pretty, look pan colors, primary colors, primary colors. They are yellow, they are red, they are blue. All right, no blue not in there. But yeah, Vibes, some, let's work on our vinegar. So I'm doing about 2 cups of vinegar, and to that I'm gonna add some sugar, half tablespoon sugar, and some pimento. Do not make it boil up, just make it get warm. So here is my nice little container, glass thing that I'll be putting it in. So I added some pimento to the bottom first, because of course the pimento them going to float. And then now I'm putting my carrot. Now, Vibes, some, do it any which way you want to do it. Put whatever you want put first. Do whatever you want to do. It's your thing, so just do your thing. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. So, so what we're going to do now, I put carrots, then I'm putting the chocha, right? I mean, I'm just going for a little something, right? Trying to make a little presentationable. Yes. So that's what I'm going for. So chocha, then what's next? I think I'm going to add some onions, right? And then after the onions, come on, girl. Come on. Don't make me there, Edaya. Yeah, onion, then pepper. Hotness next. Yes. Pepper. So little yellow, then little green, and then we'll come through with red. Yeah, hair ready. Yeah, red girl. Okay, so next now, start again. We'll add some carrot. And then after the carrot, by the way, Vibes, some, guess what? When you load them up, just press down, right? If you realize, say, it not seem like everything is gonna fit. So yeah, carrot, then some chayote, then some onions, and then of course atnis. Atnis to the thing, atnis to the thing. And as I said, you don't have to do it this way. You see how me poke some pepper at the side and thing. You know, I'm trying to make a little, just do a little something. So yeah, Vibes, Sam, just continue to stack until you are all done and you get what you want, right? But guess what? You can't just dash in everything. Push it down. See me, I show you push it down there. But yeah, you can't just dash in everything, you know. You can't just dash and dash. But yeah, I was going for a little presentation. Look at it, Vibes, Sam. Look good. And here is my vinegar. And I'm showing you, see, it just hot. So just get it nice and warm. And here's my funnel, and I'll be pouring that on there. And Vibes, fam, stand at a distance and do this. I'm telling you, once you start pouring that vinegar on this thing, me mean it hot. Yes, the flames are come off and are burning in your eye, burn your pores. It just hot. I had to open the window and everything. I had the fan going. So just pour it on there. Yup. And then, of course, you would cover it. But no. Vibes, fam, here we have it. Here we have this delectable, prettyable Jamaican pickle pepper. Look at niceness. Look at the carrot. Look at the carrots. Look at little steamer come through. Steamy, you look good. Yes, look at look at the pepper. So this is the behind the scene of my little photo shoot that I was doing. Look at it. The colors are so beautiful. But yeah, Vibes, some, this is good. You know, you put it on your little fish, your fry fish. You do some escovitch fish or whatever you're doing. You put it on whatever meat, anything. And I mean, it's served for so long. You would just cover it and put it down. Just rest it anywhere in your house. Don't carry it in your bedroom. You don't need this in your bedroom. But yeah, Babs, Sam, just leave it in the kitchen. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, thank you so much for your support. God bless you.